Hi friends, today I am going to share a special recipe for preparing rose cookies at home. To prepare rose cookies, I am using 1 egg, quarter teaspoon salt, quarter cup of powdered sugar and mixing it together until sugar melts and then adding 1 cup of rice flour, quarter cup of maida, mixing together and adding coconut milk little at a time to make thick flowy paste. The consistency is very important here. If the batter is little thicker or thinner, it will not stick to the mold. So if you face such issues, do try to bring the batter to a thick flowy consistency by either adding maida or coconut milk accordingly. The paste is ready now. I have kept the oil for frying. Once the oil is hot, we need to dip the mold completely in hot oil and then dip it in the batter 3/4 covered and place it on the hot oil again. When it is a little fried, shaking it a little bit gets the rose cookies off the mold. If not, we can also use a spoon to press down the cookie. Let's flip this over and cook this on medium flame until both the sides are golden brown color. Also, before every turn, do ensure to dip the mold in the hot oil. This ensures that the cookie comes off the mold easily. Simple and nice looking rose cookie is ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to the New Home Kitchen. Bye.